Hi, my name is Cherie Stokes. I'm the owner of the Nyumbang Barang Art Gallery here in Trundle, Central New South Wales. I'm a proud Aboriginal woman and I come from a background of the stolen generation. I sell my own Aboriginal artworks and those of my grandchildren. I run art classes for children and adults and I run workshops. People connect with my art on a very spiritual level, even if they didn't consider themselves spiritual when they walked through the door. My local Business Connect advisor first reached out to me after I had attended a virtual training session and let me know he was with Business Connect and did I need help, which of course I did. The support he provided has been ongoing and began with him coordinating my training with an accountant, which IBA funded for me. He's currently helping me to organise a business plan. Lindsay was instrumental in connecting me with other government support, including ATO, IBA and Service New South Wales. He also has connections within the region and he's recommended me to other galleries and made suggestions for opportunities that have helped me in this journey when I've encountered disruptions along the way. Without this support, I really don't think my business would be growing at the rate it is. I would advise any new business owners or people looking to start their own business to get onto Business Connect right from the start. If I was able to start this journey over, I'd definitely be finding my local Business Connect people right from the start,